Ever wondered how gunfighters in Conquest Earth master their unique skills? Welcome, fellow adventurers, to the wild and unpredictable lands of Conquest Earth, a place where skill, strategy, and a quick trigger finger can mean the difference between life and death, particularly for gunfighters, individuals of unparalleled courage and dexterity. Mastering their craft is not just about shooting straight, it's about lightning-fast reflexes, calculating ricochets, disabling opponents' weapons, and honing their marksmanship to a deadly precision. Each skill, each technique has a profound impact on the game, transforming an ordinary encounter into a strategic dance of bullets and wits. From the intimidating lightning draw to the elusive art of dual shooting, the skills of a gunfighter are as varied as they are lethal. So saddle up, strap on your holsters, and prepare to embark on an exciting journey into the heart of the gunfighter's craft. Let's dive into these skills one by one. Scene script. First and foremost, we have the lightning draw and educated ricochet. Let's delve into the lightning draw. This skill turns practiced gunfighters into blur-drawing, fast-acting masters of the quick draw. It adds value to their reflexes, allowing them to act first in the initial round when weapons are drawn. Imagine a gunfighter standing in the heart of a tense standoff, their hand a blur as it reaches for their weapon. In the blink of an eye, the gun is drawn and fired, all before their opponent has a chance to reach for their own weapon. That's the power of the lightning draw. Now let's venture into the realm of the educated ricochet. This skill allows gunfighters to use their surroundings to their advantage, bouncing projectiles off objects to strike those hiding in cover. It's not just about brute force, but also about understanding the physics of the environment. The educated ricochet skill reduces the cover modifier, making it easier to hit opponents hiding behind partial or full cover. However, this comes at a cost. The armor bypass and damage are slightly reduced. The key thing to remember here is that this skill requires something solid for the shot to bounce off. It won't work if you're facing an opponent in a soft trench on a featureless plane. Combining these two skills, a gunfighter becomes a formidable opponent. The lightning draw gives them the speed to act first, while the educated ricochet lets them hit opponents even if they're in cover. It's a 1-2 punch that can turn the tide of a battle. So, there you have it, the lightning draw and educated ricochet. Two essential skills in the gunfighter's toolkit. They're not just about speed and accuracy, but also about strategy and understanding the dynamics of the battlefield. With these skills, gunfighters can get the upper hand even before the battle begins. Scene script. Next in line are calculated ricochet and disable weapon. Let's dive right into calculated ricochet, a skill that only the most seasoned gunfighters can master. This skill is the evolution of educated ricochet, sharpening the gunfighter's ability to use the environment to their advantage. Here, years of experience come into play, allowing the gunfighter to closely estimate angles and trajectories. This deep understanding of ballistics allows them to cause freakishly accurate deviation in the flight path of their shots. The results are astounding, reducing the modifier for cover even further. However, as with educated ricochet, the same armor bypass and damage modifiers apply when bouncing shots off solid objects like walls or rocks. The calculated ricochet, therefore, is not just a skill, but a testament to a gunfighter's understanding of their craft. Now let's shift our focus to disable weapon. This skill is the epitome of precision and marksmanship, demanding the gunfighter to be at least a crossed pistols marksman. The idea here is to deliberately target an opponent's weapon, rendering it useless in the heat of a battle. This skill is not just about hitting the target, but hitting it in a way that disrupts an opponent's ability to fight back. To pull this off, the attempt must be declared before the hit roll. The chances of striking an opponent's weapon are twice that of your chance for a critical hit with your level of marksmanship. The armor factor for weapons, however, is 1.5 times the armor factor of the material used in construction. This skill is a game changer in a duel, swinging the balance in favor of the gunfighter who masters it. These skills, calculated ricochet and disable weapon, are not just about shooting. They are about understanding the environment, the weapon, the opponent, and most importantly, oneself. They demand not just physical prowess, but also a keen mind and a deep understanding of the art of gunfighting. These skills require precision, making them a true test of a gunfighter's mastery. Now let's talk about marksmanship and dual shooting. Marksmanship is the backbone of a gunfighter's prowess. It's a skill that can be honed over time, and in the world of Conquest Earth, it's divided into 3 levels. Basic marksmanship, available to gunfighters at the 8th rank, allows a critical hit on any roll of 1 or 2. Then we have crossed pistols marksmanship, achievable at the 9th rank. This level extends the critical hit range to 1 through 3. But the ultimate marksmanship achievement is known as Gunslinger. At the 11th rank, a gunfighter can aspire to this level, scoring a critical hit on a roll of 1 through 4. Now let's shift our focus to dual shooting. This skill is quite the spectacle, allowing a gunfighter to wield 2 pistols simultaneously. However, it requires prior mastery of lightning draw. The speed at which these gunfighters draw their weapons is barely perceivable to the human eye, giving them a significant advantage in initiating combat. But remember, this skill is limited to pistols only. In the hands of a skilled gunfighter, these techniques transform pistols into tools of precision and power. Marksmanship increases the chances of dealing critical blows, while dual shooting doubles the potential threat. These skills enhance a gunfighter's attack, turning them into a formidable opponent. And there you have it, the unique skills of a gunfighter in Conquest Earth. From the lightning-fast draw to the strategic use of ricochets, each skill serves a distinct purpose. The precision of disabling an opponent's weapon, the mastery of marksmanship, and the prowess of dual shooting all contribute to a gunfighter's potency. These skills are not just about firepower, they're about strategy, timing, and accuracy. Remember, mastering these skills will not only make you a better player, but also a force to be reckoned with in Conquest Earth.